Hi, my name is Jasmine Finney. I'm here at Vitesse Exchange in downtown Atlanta, Georgia. Today I'm going to show you how to style a blue ruffle dress. Here is the blue ruffle dress. It's a very basic piece that you should have in your wardrobe, and it'll take you from day to night. This look is more so of an evening cocktail look. So I've paired it with an opposite color, again to create some color blocking effect, with a purple blazer. I have rolled up the sleeves on the blazer so it adds a little extra touch. I have also added other statement colors to contrast the blue because it's so simple. I've also paired it with a pair of simple teal teardrop earrings to also bring it back to the bracelets that we have. My shoes are multicolored with a pop of teal, green, and blue to tie all of the colors together. This is Jasmine, and that is how you style a blue ruffle dress.